Hi, this is Cousin Russ. This is an impromptu short subject video that I thought I would do since I was working on it. And as I have asked before, just let me know where you're watching this from, and let me know if you are a user of the Family Tree Maker program. So I'm going to get right into what I wanted to show you. And let me bring up Family Tree Maker and get myself off the screen. What I want to talk about for a few minutes is the Web Search Workspace. Now, normally I come here from a hint, but I'm not going to do that today because I want to show you a couple cool features. So I have somebody selected up here, and I just came to the Web Search Workspace, and there's several current websites that come with a program. And when you come into the Web Search Workspace, uh, it will populate information that you have about the person that you have selected. You can see the information that you for that person down in the lower left-hand corner, and facts and media and notes. Now you notice that the notes, uh, there's nothing in notes. But if I come over to the lower right-hand corner, I can click on this research note button, which is the second icon, and that will bring up my research notes. So I have some information about the person in question. Now, right now, when I come in the first time, it gives me ancestry. I'm going to click on family search, and the search engine for family search has populated. And something that I discovered, and I have reported this, if I click on rootsweb.com, it brings up a pop-up menu which tells me what I can do from other websites. I talked about the web clipping feature before, and that's an icon that looks like a pair of scissors. So there's some information that remind us that the facts, media, notes are for your person are down here. There's a couple other websites. Let me close that. A couple other websites, and let's take Google. Now, hi, Darlene from Seattle, and also from Washington is Dear Myrtle. Thank you for dropping by. So, as I clicked on Google, the name, first name and last name, and the birth year and death year are already populated as you would expect. Now, for grins and giggles, I'm going to click the search engine because I've been searching for this person, and matter of fact, in my database, I discovered that in fact there are really two Bridget Kennedys in my database, and I had to do some cleanup because I have done a fair amount of research and realized that I do have uh, uh, two Bridget Kennedys in my. I had one in my database, but there should be two, and I have since fixed that. What I can, what I wanted to show you is that it came up in Wikitree. So the profile that I have is in Wikitree, Genie.com, and some other places. Find the Grave. I found that, and that website was good. Gave me the information that I really needed to make sure that I was dealing with two people. But if I scroll down, there'll be some hints of other places to search just by going into this workspace. I clicked on yahoo.com and clicked search, and the result for this person was less than helpful. Uh, I can't do anything about that, and I don't normally search on Yahoo anyhow. If I go to Bing, the same fields are populated, and I click on search, and it brings me up some more information. And this is interesting because this is the person that I am researching. So it brought up me a usnews.com article about the person that I'm searching from, and it's from a couple days ago. Okay, now let me get to what I really wanted to talk about today is a feature that I want to go to Find a Grave. I want Find a Grave to be here all the time. So I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to put the Find a Grave website URL. If I learn how to spell what I had on my clipboard, and I'm going to put Find a Grave. And click OK. So now Find a Grave is on my list, and if I click it, and it brings up the brings me to the Find a Grave website. Now, since I have the information down here, I can, since it did not populate, I'm just going to put in the name and see what happens. Uh, these are, yeah, these are not the ones I was looking for. I don't believe it, but I, I wasn't going to do research anyhow. What I wanted to point out, in fact, I'm going to refine and change that to Kennedy and see what comes up. So you can do all the kinds of searching that you want, remembering that the information in your database is down there. The purpose of this recording is just to show you how to add your own website to the link that are in the Web Search Workspace. I'm going to check one more thing while I'm here. I'm going to go back to the Web Search Workspace and select Find a Grave, and it did not populate, but that's okay. It's got me here, and I can see the information I'm looking for that I can type in to the Web Search Workspace, and from here I would use the uh, web clipper, which is already highlighted for me. So if I find a record that I'm looking for, I can use the web clipper from here. Okay, that's what I wanted to demonstrate in this short subject video. Uh, let me know where you're watching from. Thank you who have let me know while I'm streaming live, but leave comments. Let me know where you're looking for, viewing this from, and if you have any questions, please uh, leave them in the comments. Thank you very much and have a great day.